How to turn off Android phone without power button. Hey guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to turn off your Android device without power button. First thing you have to do is, usually what happens is to power off your phone, you have to press and hold your power button and the power off menu will appear on your screen. But let's say if your power button is stuck or it's not working or malfunctioning, then in that case, you need to do some extra steps to turn it off. So first thing you could do is scroll down. Most of the Android device provide you with the power off menu on the notification panel or a control panel. I have one right here, right besides the gear icon on the top right. I can just tap on this power off menu and then it's going to bring it out. I don't even need to touch the power off button. I can directly tap on power off to turn my phone off. If you don't have the settings, you might have something called assistive menu. So open up your settings, scroll down, go to advanced features. And then from here, if you don't see the option, you can go to accessibility settings. And then from there, go to touch, interaction, and dexterity, and then turn on the assistant menu. Go ahead and turn this one on. You'll have this kind of menu pop up on your screen. You can change its transparency. And then what I'm going to do now is just tap on the menu over here. I have a bunch of options. I have screen off, volume, screenshot, and more. I can also bring down notification panel from here. And then I can just go ahead and tap on the power off menu. And from there, you could just go ahead and tap on power off. So these are some of the ways you can turn off your phone without the power button. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.